everyone, and welcome to another Goddess Provisions unboxing. It's that time of month where I got my Goddess Provisions box and we are going to open the box. So I'm so excited. So yes, it's Goddess Provisions, and I do want to say that this is a November box, and by the time I'm opening it, it's already December. So this is a past box for you guys. If you want, you can always get a past box from Goddess Provisions, or if you see a couple items that you see that you like, it's better just to get those items that you like from Goddess Provisions. Then you can use my code Mystic Hillbillie at checkout, and you can get a discount. But if you want to buy a box or your own subscription, which I do recommend, that would be kind of cool, but my code does not work. My code does not work on the boxes, but we are going to unbox one, and you can go ahead, you can get your own subscription and be surprised every month with your own Goddess Provision box, and this will be something that you already know. Anyway, or, if you see items that you like, it's better to just go to Goddess Provisions and pick out the items of the things that you like, and then use my code at checkout, and you'll be able to get a discount. So that's a lot cheaper because the past boxes are kind of, Anyway, Goddess Provisions, I'm so excited. I'm so grateful to be able to open November's box today. I can't wait. So let's go ahead and get into it. All right, here we go. All right, here we are with our box. Ready for your unboxing, goddesses. Here we go. All right, November. Embracing the dark feminine within. I love it. And this is what we got. Black Moon Lilith. All right, so we got garnet. Well, you want to see what it looks like? Beautimus. The Black Moon Lilith box. The dark feminine. So we have it. This is shaped like a heart. You guys see it? It is garnet and astrophyllite heart. Let's see. The radiant heart-shaped stone carries Lilith's essence of passion and empowerment. Garnet stirs the fire within, while astrophyllite awakens spiritual insight and helps you integrate your shadows with compassion and strength. All right. Oops. And we have Be Divine Simmer Pouch. Soothing, cleansing, and refreshing. So this doesn't have a thing, but simmer potion. You can put this in your bath, or you can just put it on. You can put it in some water and put it in your kitchen and just let it boil and simmer, and your whole house will fill up with sweet smells. So this is really awesome. Be Divine Simmer Potion. I love that. Yeah, let the natural aroma fill your home. Oh, sorry. You use it, you fill a pot of water, you add simmer mix, bring it to a boil, then let it simmer and enjoy as the aroma fills your home. So that's wonderful. Let's see, what else did we get? I feel like there's a bunch of stuff in here that's not on the thing. But look at this, you guys. Red jasper and copper pendulum. A handcrafted pendulum made with red jasper jasper gemstone chips in resin and copper. Red jasper, a stone of vitality and courage, resonates deeply with Lilith's energy, grounding your magic in strength, sensuality, and fearless independence. All right. And we have this right here too. Sacred smoke, rope incense, sandalwood, holy basil, and cardamom. And I don't see that on the thing. So, I don't know. Interesting. This is Lavender and Rose Bath Tea Bag by Balliate Naturals. Sink into the ritual rest with this luxurious herbal bath blend of rose and lavender. Rose, sacred to Lilith, symbolizes passion, beauty, and shadow desire, while lavender soothes and balances your energy, perfect for self-love and release rituals under the dark moon. Okay, cool. We'll look at this stuff in more depth in a minute. Oh, wow, look at this. Scarlet Nail Polish by Glam and Grace. Paint your nails in deep scarlet, Lilith's color of blood, passion, and life force. A ritual of ornament that celebrates the raw beauty of your body and the power that flows through it. Okay, look at this red. Oh, and what is this? I wonder what's in here. Again, I don't think this is, unless this is the spray. And I do believe that it is. Or a spray. Indeed. Protection Mist by Balipura. Infused with natural essence and healing vibrations, this mist helps shield your aura and purify your energetic space before ritual or meditation. A gentle reminder that embracing your power begins with sacred protection. Okay. Neat. And then this is cool. Lilith Sigil Pendulum Board. A custom-designed board engraved with Lilith's sigil, a sacred seal used to invoke her power and presence. Use in pendulum work or divination rituals to connect with her energy and channel messages of empowerment, liberation, and truth. Wow. All right, I think that is the full box, everything. We'll look at it more in depth. All right, so let's see. What are we going to do? We have this. And we don't really need to look too much into depth about that, but it comes with this. We have our own little pendulum. So you'll want to see what this one looks like up close. Has that copper spring in it with the jasper. So you would swing the pendulum over this to get the answers. Of course, it hasn't been charged or anything or worked with. So there's that part. And then next is the Protection Aura Spray. So I'm gonna smell it and see. Oh, I love that. It's the clean smell, nice clean smell. So crystal infused is what it says on there. So I really like this, and it comes with this bag. Do y'all see this bag? Look at that bag. It's a nice size bag. And it looks like a lot of the stuff in the November box is from Bali Pura. So, and there is this inside. Crystal infused mist. Choose which energy bottle you would like to tune into. Close your eyes and set intention. Spray several times and let the mist fall around you. The energy of the crystals work by harmonizing the vibration of your energy field. Set a moment of your daily routine to use it and achieve a deeper transformation. Beautiful. That is gorgeous. Bali Pura Aura Sprays. Very cool. I think, no, there's still something else in there. Oh, there's some coupons. And they also sell some other things. I'm not affiliated with Bali Pura, so wonderful. All right, I think I'm going to go ahead. I don't know. I just want to try it out. I love that clean smell. It's just a nice, clean smell. And then, we have our little heart garnet, which I'm loving. Little black heart. And the tea baths. I'm wondering, is it like, I think you just, let's see, instructions. Hang pre-filled bag from the faucet, allowing hot water to run through the bag as the tub fills, submerged in the bag of the water and squeeze to release botanicals. Soak in the infused water for 20 minutes. After each use, discard used tea, rinse tea bag, and lay flat to dry. For a complete spa experience, pair with Phoenix Splash Candle. For best skin results, use Volatile Naturals Body Balm or lotion after the bath. All right, cool. So we're just gonna put that on the bath. I'm gonna smell it. It smells very lavendery. Very lavendery. So I'm loving this right here for sure. Loving it. And then we got some fingernail polish. Now, I already have fingernail polish, so I can't really try it on my fingernails. But we can kind of look at this. I mean, it's a good size fingernail polish. Let's see. I can see what it'll look like on top of my purple. It's a little messy, but there we go. It's the messiest way I've ever done fingernail polish. But yeah, that's nice. Glam and Grace. Loving it. And then, like, the stuff that wasn't even on the thing. We also got these. Some rope incense and a simmer potion. I want to smell the incense. And now this is really nice. A really nice box. It is like velvety. this wrap around. Look at the cute little button. I mean, this is a really cute box. Yeah. It smells divine. I'm so grateful to have these. Wow. So yeah, I got that too. And some simmer potion. It's really beautiful. So yeah, Goddess Provisions brought to you by Bali Pura this month. And Black Moon Lilith. So thank you all so much for being a part of this unboxing with me. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed giving it and being part of it with all of you. And as always, don't forget, if you want to get a box or a subscription box, or if you want to get a past box, you can. My discount code will not work for you. But if there's just a couple items on here that you want to go get, like you want to go get you one of these, or you just want to get some of this, just these two, then go to Goddess Provisions and you can pick out these two things, and then you can use the code Mystic Hillbillie at checkout and get a 10% discount on all the items together. So it's really a good deal if you just choose the items that you want to get. So thank you all so much for being with me. I hope that you enjoyed it. As always, walk in love.